This video is used to teach how to install a standard automatic flow wrapping machine. Firstly, start installing the front conveyor. For ease of installation, screws have been prefixed. Remove them and prepare for assembly. Raise one end of the conveyor and install supporting feet, then tighten the screws. Remove the screw from the other end and lift it up to align with the feeding port of the host wrapping machine. Align the screw holes of the conveyor with the installation holes on the flow wrapping machine, and then start tightening the screws. Remember, do not to immediately tighten the screws. First, fix it roughly, then adjust the horizontal position of the conveyor. Keep it centered with the main inlet, and then tighten the screw finally. Afterwards, loosen the screws used to adjust the height of conveyor. Adjust height, and then tighten the screws again. Next is to install the support frame for the guidon baffle of the conveyor. Similarly, just fix it with screws first, and do not tighten the screws. Now let's start installing the guidon baffles. Pay attention to the matching of the upper and lower screws. The top is the cross screw, and the bottom is the rectangular nut. After completion, adjusting the height of the guidon baffle support base. The height should refer to the actual product. All baffles are at the same height. Finally, install the lugs pushing chain. With the plastic lugs facing upwards, then pass through the drive gear and pass around the entire bottom of the conveyor. Then remove the buckle at one end of the chain to expose the pin. Then pull the other side of the chain over, open the pinhole as well. Install the pin into the pinhole and refix the buckle. This way, the chain is installed. Before installing the film, adjust the distance of the guidon baffles according to the width of the product. Loosen the fixing screw. Separate the distance between the two baffles according to the width of the product, and then fix the screw again. The next step is to install the film. There is a film schematic diagram on the side of the film guide rollers. Please follow the diagram to pass the film through each guide rod in sequence. Please note that if using printing film, need to adjust the position of the photocell so that it can recognize the color mark. The next step is to adjust the film bag mouth forming device according to the height and width of the product. Adjust the height and width of the forming device opening separately, with corresponding handles and scales to ensure that the product can pass through and be tightly attached to the product for bag making. Release the handles of the film sealing module, then pass the film through the clamping, heating, and sealing wheel. Finally, close the handle and let each clamping wheel grip the film. Finally, connect the power supply, and you can start the debugging work of this flow wrapping machine. Set the sealing temperature, packaging speed, and other parameters for adjustment. Please refer to the operating manual and our instructional video for details. In addition, on some models, in order to package irregularly shaped products that are relatively light or easy to roll, we have configured top pressure material, conveying or driven brushes. It can be adjusted according to the specific height of the product, allowing it to press or move the product for stable feeding. Now you can learn how to operate and use this machine according to the instructions in the manual book with your specific product. Finally, thank you for watching this video. That's all for the installation guide video of our standard fully automatic flow wrap packing machine. We will also upload videos for film installation and machine debugging. Please click to subscribe to our channel or contact us directly.